Hello everyone. Today we continue with chapter 11 and today's our topic is types of forces. Forces are of different kinds and the following are the different kinds of forces. 1. Muscular force. 2. Gravitational force. 3. Magnetic force and the fourth one frictional force. The first one, muscular force. To push or pull anything, we use our body parts. So, any force that we apply using our body is called muscular force. Muscular force happens when we push or pull something using our muscles. We use muscular force to open a door, kick a football, lift a bag, or pedal a bicycle. All these are the examples of a muscular force. Strong muscles help us to generate larger force. Balanced diet, regular exercise and playing physical games can help us in building strong muscles. And second kind of force is gravitational force. What happens when we throw a ball up in the sky? We observe that the ball comes back and falls to the ground. This happens because Earth pulls every object towards itself. This force with which Earth attracts all the objects towards itself is called gravitational force. So it is because of the gravitational force of Earth that keeps us attached to the ground. Next kind of force is magnetic force. If we take a magnet and close to the iron nails, what happens? What we can see that the iron nails jump and cling to the magnet. A magnet has a property by which it attracts certain materials. For example, it attracts iron and nickel towards itself. So, the force by which a magnet attracts magnetic materials such as iron and nickel towards itself is called magnetic force. And the next is the frictional force. If we take a ball and roll it on the floor, so what we can observe? We can see the ball is moving. And we observe the movement of the ball. So we can see that when the ball rolls, its surface rubs against the surface of the floor. This rubbing together of the two surfaces gives rise to force that opposes the motion of the ball. So what happens? So after some time, we will observe that the ball rolls for a certain distance and then comes to a stop. So this force slows down the ball and gradually brings it to a stop. The opposing force that results when two surfaces in contact try to move past each other is called friction. The force that opposes motion between bodies in contact, that we call the friction. And important facts about friction. There are three important facts about friction. The first one is for friction to act, the two objects or surfaces should be in contact. Then only the friction will happen. Second is friction acts opposite to the direction of motion and hence opposes motion. And the third thing, a rough surface offers much more friction than a smooth surface. If we want to push an object on the floor, we need to overcome friction. It is easier to push a light object compared to a heavier object. So this shows that the greater the weight of an object, the higher the friction. When we walk, friction acts between our feet and the ground, so it enables us our feet to grip the ground. Thus friction helps us to walk. So today we have completed the chapter 11. So today's your homework is read the chapter and learn the word bank given in page number 115. Thank you. Have a nice day.